In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide section on desktop in Wix. If you've ever wanted a part of your page to show on mobile but not on desktop, or you're running a desktop-only promotion that you want to temporarily remove, hiding a section is the cleanest, most reliable way to do it. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor or Wix Studio with your site open and that you're viewing the desktop layout. Sections in Wix are the large horizontal areas that stack down the page, sometimes called strips or containers. So be sure you're targeting the entire section, not just a text box or image inside it. A quick way to confirm is to hover near the edges of the area until you see the section's bounding outline. Now, right-click directly on the section you want to hide. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click or holding the control key while clicking works the same way. You should see a context menu appear, which gives you options specific to that section. If you don't see section options, you may have clicked an inner element. In that case, click once on empty space within the section to select the parent section, then right-click again. From the context menu, click Hide. That's it. Your section is now hidden on the desktop view. This action affects only the desktop layout you're working in, so the same section can remain visible on other views like tablet or mobile if you want. It's a great way to tailor content across breakpoints without duplicating pages or deleting anything. A few helpful tips as you work. If hide isn't available, double check that the section itself is selected. Inner elements have different options. After hiding, you'll usually see a small label or indicator in the editor letting you know the section is hidden on this view, which is a good visual confirmation as you scroll through the page. If you ever want that section back, repeat the same process. Right-click the hidden section and choose Show to restore it on desktop. Remember, hidden content stays part of your design. It's simply not displayed to visitors on that specific layout. Your page order and spacing remain stable, and you can continue editing the hidden section while it's out of sight, which is handy for preparing seasonal updates or drafts without exposing them prematurely. When you're satisfied with your changes, preview your site to see the desktop experience without the hidden section, and keep in mind that changes only go live when you publish. That's all there is to it. By right-clicking the section and selecting Hide, you gain precise control over what your desktop visitors see while keeping your content ready to reuse whenever you need it.